Hello and welcome back. This is Walid. Today's video we are diving into a live project where I will guide you through converting a Figma design into a fully functional WordPress website using Elementor Page Builder. Now a fair warning, this video is going to a bit longer. If you're interested to seeing the full process of completing a client's project from scratch, this video only for you. So grab a drink, get a comfortable and let's get started. For this project, we are using Hostinger WordPress hosting. If you are looking for a reliable hosting in affordable price, then I would like to suggest you Hostinger WordPress hosting. I have an additional discount for you. Check in my description. Just click the link and grab the deal today. As you can see, I am now in my computer screen and this is the Figma design my client provided me, and in this design have total 5 pages: home page, about us, services, projects pop-up and contact us, and all pages have mobile versions too. Okay, now let's design the website step by step. First we have to change the theme. If I go to the theme, okay, here let's click on themes. We will use the theme name is Hello Elementor, because this theme is very lightweight, that's why I'm using this one. Activate. For the page builder we will use Elementor. Let's install the Elementor. Also we will install Elementor Pro. Add new, upload plugins. This one is Elementor Pro. Install. Activate. Okay, now we will connect the Elementor Pro. Let's connect it. I already purchased the license, that's why I can activate the license. Elementor Pro is activated now. Let's add the pages. Now we don't have any pages. Click on add new. We have 5 pages. The first page is home page. Template should be Elementor full width. Publish and click on edit with Elementor. We'll edit the page later, that's why I cross it. I am adding the all pages. Also I am enabling the Elementor, so it's the same process, that's why I added the first clipping speed. Just enjoy. All page added. Now let's create the menu. It should be primary menu. Let's select all, add menu. Home, services, projects, about us, or we can add about us here. You can change the menu by drag and drop, then save menu. Perfect. So our all pages name and setup is done. Now let's add the first part. Our first part is main menu with logo. So it's for, we can create main menu, add new, just select is header, menu, create template. Okay, let's do it customly. In top section there have logo and menu. Left side we need to add the logo. Let's back the design. Okay, here is the container. We can add another container. This one should be 20. Duplicate 80. Direction is right. Perfect. Now simply we need to add the image as our logo. Let's add the logo. Here is the logo. Yeah, this one. Perfect. Copy and paste here. Perfect. Now let's add the menu. Here is the WordPress menu. We can add the menu. Alignment should be right. Then underline, we don't need underline. Then breakpoint should be in mobile. Okay, we need to do another things, because in this design the client wants me to add the custom fonts, so we have to upload the custom fonts. My clients already provided me the custom fonts. Let's upload the custom fonts now. Okay, now publish it. Add condition is enter site, save changes. I will change everything later. Let's upload the custom fonts. In dashboard, hover the Elementor, then here is the custom font option. So add font. The font name is Ionic Pro. Add the font variant. Upload the TTF file, because we have all the font file is TTF file. So upload the font. It should be the, okay, let's upload the all fonts. Open. This is the 100. I think we need 100 anyway. Let's add the 100. So this is the 100. It's normal. Then 100 italic. Here is the 100 italic. Then 200 normal. Same process, I'm adding other fonts, so that's why I just speed the video, because it's the same process. I'm just adding the other fonts. Update the font. Okay, our custom font is updated now. We have another font, so let's add the another font. Let me quick upload and add the all font. So that's why I added the clip speed is fast for time saving. It's the same process. Okay, that's why I did it. I hope you know how to upload and add the font. So it's the same process. Our two font is uploaded now. Now perfect. Let's back to the menu, and now we'll change the default settings. Click on here, then we can upload the default settings. Here is the color option. Our primary color is this one. Like let's add custom colors. The background color. Okay, the branding color is this one. Color 2, like this one. Okay, this is this color, because this color I took this color because in the here, see, there is this color and other buttons and footer icons, and they are using this color. That's why I added these colors. Okay, now save changes, back to here and global fonts. So our primary content, our primary content, if I go back to here, then simply click here, then see our primary content is Ionic Pro. Let's add the Ionic Pro as primary content. Need to reload this page. Let's reload this page. I did not reload, that's why it's the fonts is not showing. Here is the primary. Click here, and here is the Ionic Pro. Ionic Pro is our primary fonts. It's normal. Okay, secondary font is, you can use this one same way. Perfect. Okay, sorry, save changes. In heading, the the body font is Ionic Pro. Then the links, it's everything should be same, Ionic Pro. Then here is the H2 should be Archivo, and in desktop the font family should be 56. It should be semi-bold like this one. In laptop, in tablet we can use 40 pixel, and phone 32 pixel. Because I added 32 pixel because they use this font 32 pixel like in laptop they used this one for 56 pixel. If I click here, then see in phone they use 32 pixel. Okay, oh perfect. Okay, now in H3 we will use the same font, because in this Figma design all the headings of they used the Archivo fonts. If I click on here, here is the Archivo fonts. If I click here, here is the Archivo fonts. All fonts, all title fonts, they used this Archivo fonts. If I click here, here is the Archivo fonts. And all description, if I click here, all description is Ionic Pro. Okay, so go back to menu, and this one 3. Let's select medium. Here should be, this is H3 text, so 48, little bit actually smaller. In tablet size 32, sorry. In phone 24. Now perfect. I don't touch the other tags actually, because in this website, in this design, normally H2 and H3, that's enough. Okay, you can if you want, you can edit and you can update the others, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, like same way. Anyway, let's back here, and here is the buttons. Okay, the button fonts, let's check the button fonts. If I click here, they use the button fonts as a Ionic Pro. Okay, let's set up the Ionic Pro. Ionic Pro, you can use it normal. Okay, the button background, they use this background. Yeah, this one. See, this is the background, and the color, color is white. That's it. Save changes. We can add a border, 1 pixel border. Let's add something design, white. Yeah, white is okay. Border color, white, not actually white. We can add border color, this one. Yeah, color should be not this one, border color as a background color. Save changes. So our default settings is done. Let's cross it. Okay, here is our menu. Click here, and here should be everything in center. Perfect. Okay, Elementor Fluid. Then okay, now we don't need to typography. If you want to add the extra functionality on your global font, you can add. Let's see. Here is the font family. It's medium and 18 pixel. Okay, let's add 18 pixel. Medium is good. Okay, and color should be as a background color, this one. Yeah, this one is background color is good. And here we don't have any background, so let's remove the background, or hover color as background, active as a background. Now perfect. Let's see on tablet. We can break it. Let's break point in tablet. Okay, perfect. Okay, here is the in breakpoint is tablet. Let's design this toggle buttons, like toggle icons. Here's the toggle icons. Background is none. We can add the size, 25 pixels is okay. We can add border if you want. You can add the border like this way. Let's add a background color in top down. Here is the color. I think it looks good now. Hover color. We can add a hover color like white and this one. Okay, now looks good. If we go in phone, it looks good. Let's add it in here. I think 60, good enough. 35%. Yeah, now looks good. Okay, here have a actually padding. Let's remove the paddings. Now looks good. We can add here, already added. It's a default padding. We can remove it. Simply click here, and by clicking here we can remove the paddings. Okay, for this logo clickable for, we need to just simply click on here, custom URL, and here's the site URL. That's it. So it's a clickable. As you can see, our menu is done. Actually, they used a background color in menu. Let's see the background color. Okay, this is the background color. Okay, this is the background color. Now looks good. Let's add a border at the bottom of the menu. Not this one. Let's see. Let's copy this border color. Okay, D6. Now perfect. Publish the menu. Okay, if I reload here, so our menu is done. As you can see, there have a little bit border in at the top and bottom. So let's add it extra paddings. Okay, now perfect. Yeah, now looks good. Now let's add the border color and background color as a default, because if we add it, we can work easily. So second background like gray background. This one is the gray background, and this is the border color. Perfect. Save changes. At this time, now our main menu is done. Now we will set up the footer. Okay, if I scroll down, okay, here is the footer. We'll design the footer now. Go back to here and hover here and click on add new. Then I'm getting these options because this is the Elementor Pro. Okay, if you want to buy the Elementor Pro, you can do it. I will attach in my description for quick access. Okay, you can buy the Elementor Pro from here. Okay, here is the now we need to add the footer. Okay, footer, create template. So in footer we need to add 4 columns, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now flexbox, add a container. Sorry, here is the container. Then add another container. It should be 25. This one we can add 30. and rest 70. So 23, 23, 23. Click here and direction is right. So here is the 4 columns. See, it's the almost same way. We can add it little bit more actually, like 40. Yeah, now looks good. Let's add a background color first. Here is the background color, this one. Okay, there have a background. Okay, we can add these icons, no problem. Let's add a background color. Already I added background color, and here is the first. We need to add the logo. I have the logos white versions. So if I click here, here is the white versions. Let's copy and duplicate the alt text. Perfect. Custom and site URL. Because I am adding this because when I do this one, then this link will clickable. Okay. Now let's add a text. Okay, copy the text from here and paste it. We can add here this way. This font, it's not actually Roboto, it should be Ionic Pro. Okay, white color. I think they are not using white. Let's select the color. Okay, they use as a border color. I can use color as a this one. Okay, now here should be navigation. Title. Anyway, let's add it. Not Ionic Pro, it should be archive. White. Then add a list. So navigation is okay. We don't need icons. About us. Just click search on about. Yeah, it's link up now. Then services, search services, services space link up now. Then projects, at the last contact us, or you can add contact. Is the contact us. Okay, perfect. Now let's see which font they used. We click here. The font is Ionic Pro and font size is 14 pixel. Sorry. Text. Ionic Pro 14 pixel and color is this one. List, I think It is looks good. Okay, copy this, paste here, copy this, paste here. So here should be get in touch, email info @ see ya. I added this link mail to dot because it's this link is clickable, that's why I added this. Let's add icons. Fee. This one is good, and another one is phone number 901 844 6244. Let's add it, click till double clone plus this one. Perfect. Let's delete the bracket. Okay, now perfect. Let's add the phone, sorry, insert. Let's change the icon colors. Here is the icons colors. Let's see, icons color size, I think, okay, we have to increase the icons, 15s. Yeah, now looks good, and list should be 10. Okay, it should be 10. Now it looks good. Let's add now social media. So social media, here's the social icons, drag and drop here. Okay, we don't need any background color, so let's add custom. The secondary color is this one, and primary color background is none. Okay, first one should be Instagram. The icons we need to change. Yeah, this one. Then LinkedIn. I think this one. Perfect. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good now. Size I think 25. Yeah, 25 is okay. Now let's add a padding at the top. I think 4 and 4. Max width. This one looks good. I think now it looks good. Okay, there are actually 2 lines, so I think we need to add little more wider. Now looks good. Okay, let's add the padding, right? I think if we add right this way, that's what be looks good. Sorry, 10 and adds. Yeah, now looks good. Save and close. Everything looks good. Now we need to add the this icons. Actually, it's called N. Let's add the icons. Okay, click here. Then here is the background overlay. Already we add the background color here, and here is the background overlay. Just simply click on here. I already added the icons. This is the icons. Just simply select. Okay, now opacity, you can add the opacity like this way. I think 0.02. This opacity looks good. You can add extra height or extra width like this way. As you can see, let's add the opacity. Then you can see, I think 90 is good, and 0.02. It's showing something. Okay, let's add a padding at the top and bottoms. 6 and 6. Yeah, now it looks good. In Figma design, I noticed the Figma designer did not add the copyright sections. Let's add the copyright section here. Just let's copy this text and paste here. Not here, sorry, here. Okay, let's add the background color. This is the background color. I can add a heading text. (2024). All right, and reserved by NURISE here. Okay, now looks good. Let's add padding in top 10 and bottom. I think 20 will be good. 20. Yeah, now looks good. Let's add a border in top. Let's see. Yeah, now looks good. Let's see on tablet. In tablet it looks not good, so we have to optimize it. Structure. Okay, this container. Okay, this one let's add 50%. This one should be 50%. Okay, let's add a padding in left side. 10 is good. Right side 10 is good. Let's remove the right padding. I think 2 right padding is 3 right padding is good. $20, it looks good. In here 30, it's good. And social media, this looks good. Now let's see on mobile. Let's reduce the logo size. I think 75. Let's check. Okay, this way. So we need to add the center. Let's add 50% and 50%. Okay, now it looks good. Now let's publish it. Our header footer is done now. Now we will design the home page. Let's click the home page, and over here edit the Elementor. Okay, before update the home page, actually they use some custom icon, so we have to install a plugins. Let's install a plugins. The plugins name is Skyboot. It's a plugins library. Sorry, it's a icons library. Active. Now let's reload this page. Okay, now we have to design the home page. As you can see, this is our main banner. Let's add the main banner, container, then let's add another container. It's called 40%, and the second one is I think 16%. Okay, now we have to add the background color because this section have a background color. Let's add a background color. I already add the background color, so just select from here. Then we need to add a overlay. So let's add a overlay. Okay, we need to add a background image to this one. Position is center, no repeat. Think custom will be good. Okay, now I think we need to update the background color. Let's try to add little bit brighter. Yeah, now looks good. Okay, now we have to add the background image. Let's this one. I already uploaded the all images. Let's add a background image. This one, select, center, repeat, no repeat, display size is cover. Okay, now we need to add the padding in this section. Actually, let's add the height. Actually, I think, yeah, 580 is okay. Let's add the heading text. Copy and paste here. heading text. I think they use semi-bold. It's a bold. Okay. Okay, this font name is Arkibo. Okay, I think this font is little bit actually bold, so semi-bold, medium. Yeah, this one looks good. Let's add some padding in top because we need to add the heading little bit down. Okay, paste here. Okay, I think 10. Yeah, 10 is okay. Now let's change the background image. Okay, let's add the background image in container. Here you can add the background image, this one, and the overlays, this one. Let's see how it look. Okay, position is center, repeat, no repeat, cover, opacity 1. Yeah, now looks good. Let's add some padding in top. I think not 50. I think 50 is okay. Okay, need to change the background color. Okay, center cover. Okay, actually we need to content width should be full width. Then we can add the left. Top is 5, 6, right. I think now looks good. Let's see. Yeah, now looks good. Let's add left something, right. Yeah, now it looks good. Now let's check the responsiveness. Click here, it looks good. In phone we need to add the center text. As you can see, this one in here, it's the center text, and text size is 40. Okay, there I have an issue. So this section only for phone, and actually not for phone, it will be work on desktop and tablet. When someone access the mobile, this section will be hide. Okay, and I have added another section similar like this one, and this section will only work on mobile. So hide from tablet and desktop. Let's publish it, reload it, and then see. This is our home page. This is the banner. Okay, now let's back to the editable page. Okay, so now we have to design this section. Okay, let's copy the text and flex box, Then we need to add the container, again container. Then let's see, I think 60, this column in 60, this column in 40. That will be better. Okay, this one 60, duplicate, and this one 40. Perfect. The direction should be right. Okay, now we need to add the text. I already copy the text, so this is the text. Okay, this on the text. Let's see, text size is 28. Text size is 28. Okay, color, yeah, color is black. Okay, some color have the bold, so let's add bold option. This color is bold, and over, yeah, this one is bold. Okay, I think it looks more bold, so we have to add some custom CSS here. Let's add custom CSS, span, style, font weight 5. Yeah, 5 will be good. Span, let's copy and paste here, span. Okay, now as you can see, this section, actually this content is bold and this is the simple word. Okay, so same way I have added this way, but I think this section more wide. Let's add 70, 30, sorry, 30. Right, we need to add an image, copy, and okay, is full. Let's see, yeah, this one, copy and paste. We need to add the alter text in every image. Okay, and if you are doing SEO, then you can add the keyword here. Okay, later we will change it. Okay, select. Now it looks good. Now we have to add the buttons. Buttons name is, sorry, get in touch, icons, arrow, this icon. Okay, the button background will be this color, and button position right, actually icon position should be right, and we need to change the icons color. Okay, and we need to add the border radius little bit. I think 10, yeah, 10 is good. I think, let's see, yeah, 10, I think 8. Okay, 8 is perfect. Buttons, okay, border, no, perfect. And icon spacing, let's set little bit more. Buttons, icon, we'll change the icons color later. Actually in here they have not option to change the icons. I will change in custom CSS. Let's see on tablet, let's reduce the text size 28. I think 25 is good. Okay, and we can add, I think 50, not 50, actually 60. 60 and 40. 60 and 40 is good. Okay, also we have option to change it. If you looks it's not good, then we can change the direction, like this way, not here actually, sorry. Click here, and this way this section is 100% and 100%. In tablet view, I think this tablet view is the better now. Yeah, this tablet view is better now. Okay, and see in mobile. Okay, in mobile they added in first text, then image, then text, then a button. Okay, let's copy here. Okay, we need to add the image later actually. Yeah, this section, this will be good. And buttons we need to add after the image, right? Yeah, after the image here. Okay, let's hide these buttons in tablet and phone, and this button will work on only on tablet and phone, so we need to hide on desktop. If I go to the phone, then it looks good. In phone, font size should be 18 pixel, so let's add it in 18 pixel. Yeah, now looks good. Okay, this section is done. Now we have to add the next section, this one, our promise. Click here, sorry, we need to add the container, then let's add another container. This section will be 40, duplicate, and this column will be 60. Direction is right, left side should be an image. Okay, the image, let's see which one. Okay, this one we need to export this one. Let's export this image. Yeah, this one, perfect. Okay, select. Now we need to add the text here again, sorry, copy and paste here, copy and paste here. Let's add the, let's copy the custom CSS, because we need to add the custom CSS. in here, span, then here, reality, span, then here to innovation, span, then the future. Okay, here, then technology, and at the bottom actually. Okay, so this way, and see, they want similar like this one. Okay, now copy this text and copy this button and paste here, and this section everything will be in center, so we have to add like this way, everything in center, this section will be in center. Okay, not here, yeah, here, center. Now in phone, okay, actually I forgot to add the heading at the top, so we need to add the headings. Structure, okay, we need to add the heading over here, yeah, not here actually, over here, sorry, here will be good. The text is our promise. Font weight bold. Okay, in this section they added a spacing and a border, so we'll do the same. Let's click here, then we have to add the padding in top and bottoms, 5 and 5. Then we will add a border, okay, at the bottom, and border color, this one I already added, and they added a background color in whole section, this one. Okay, so not this one, you have to copy this section background color, this one. Not this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, we need to do same thing in this section. Top is 5, bottom is 5. Just check here. Yeah, it looks good now. Just need to add the background color. Sorry. Yeah, background too. Yeah, now looks good. In left side have a icons, red icons, so we will add, no problem. Let's see on how it looks in phone, tablet. I have to add a five, 1, 5, 1. Yeah. 100%, and this section is 100%, and the direction will be actually vertical, this one, and this text element left. Okay, I need to click here, this button will be visible, so visible here and font. Okay, this section looks great now. Okay, we can add little more in padding font, like 10. Yeah, it looks good. 10, left, right to left to, sorry, 20. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, looks good. Here should be 20. Okay, this section is great now. Now we have to design this section. Okay, left side icon for, I added a custom CSS and I copy the icons from this website. Okay, you can copy any icons from here anyway. So this section is done. Now we will design this section. First we need to copy the text box, then container. Okay, add another container. Okay, let's add another container. Sorry, not here. We just duplicate this one. In first container we will add the heading text, this one, alignment center. Let's add the background color, this one, and our background image we have to use this one. Okay, center, no repeat, display size, custom. I think 0.1 opacity is good. We'll change later, no problem. Text. Okay, the font size is 40 pixels. Not Unique Pro, font will be Akibo and 40 pixel, then semi-bold. Is it semi-bold? Yeah, semi-bold. I can add a break here. Okay, now looks good. I think not semi-bold, I think medium will be better. In this section we have to add 4 columns, so copy, 25, duplicate and duplicate, direction right. Now first we need to add the heading 13,000 plus and the another text, this one is this one is good. This one, let's check the font weight bold and font size 56. So white, font weight will be bold, archivo 56. Yeah, and here should be white as usual, and this content size is 18 and using Ionic Pro 18. Okay, now looks good. Let's duplicate, delete. Okay, we can add the actually left side as a border. Solid, let's add a border left and right. Border is this color. Yeah, looks good. Can duplicate and duplicate, delete this one. I just remove the right side border. Okay, here should be this text. Here 50. Text, this one. Copy and paste here. Okay, it's low. Not actually, we need to this section should be a little bit wider. Let's add the wider the content width, full width. Let's add in left side, I think 5, right side should be 5. Let's see. Also we need to change the icon, actually typography, font size. I think 46 will be better. Yeah, 46 is better. Don't need left side border. And right side border. Right side border, one pixel. Like this one. Just need to remove the border from here. Okay, now this section looks good, but I think the font size is still showing more bigger. Let's reduce the font size. 30, and here should be, yeah, this one is good. Duplicate and duplicate. Okay, now it looks good. We need to add the padding in top and bottoms. So not 10 actually, 66 is okay. Yeah, Now it looks good. We have to reduce the background image size. I think 95 will be better. Yeah, it's much better, and we can add the opacity, I think, a little more deeper. 0.3. Yeah, now looks perfect. Yeah, now looks perfect. Let's check on tablet version. Okay, we need to work on tablet version, so let's add 100%. Okay, okay, in tablet now it looks good. In phone, yeah, in phone it looks good. We can reduce the font size in phone, not 40, I think. Yeah, 28 is good. Here should be 25. 28. It looks good now. Copy, duplicate here, paste here, paste style and paste style. Now this section looks good. If you see, okay, if you see, there have the icons. Actually in border looks like this one. Anyway, let's add the border like this one. Now I will add the border divider here. Actually here should be a divider. Gap is 0. Color this one, and divider width, I think 30% is good. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. And this divider will work only on phone and tablet. Copy, paste here, and paste here. Okay, in tablet, so we just need to, gap should be 0. Then width, I think 30 is good. 30 looks good. Okay, now we just need to remove the border. Don't need to remove the border in this section. Border, yeah. In tablet view, this section looks great. In phone, this section looks great. Okay, as you can see, at the bottom here, add a text, so we just need to copy and paste. We just need to add the another container. Okay, anyway, let's duplicate this section, this section will be here. Text, sorry, yeah, now looks good. White text, 16 pixel. Okay, now this section looks good. Phone and tablet, it looks good. Publish, let's see on how it look. Reload. Okay, this is the page and this is the design. Now this section is done. We have to design this section now. It's a services. Okay, in our service, first we need to add a heading, the our service. So let's copy and flex box, click here, container. Then I think we need to add another, we need to add another container. Let's add another container and duplicate. Okay, so here should be the title. We can copy this title because we need to add the left side icons. Paste here, copy and paste. Okay, so in left side have text and right side image. This is the section. We'll add another container. This container right side is I think 40, left side 60. Direction right. Now we need to add the text. I can copy this text actually, like this heading, paste here. Let's copy the text and paste here. Okay, now paragraph copy. I can copy and paste, sorry, I can copy here this text and paste here. Copy again, paste here. Let's check the text size, 16 pixel. 16 pixel, and this text size 48. Okay, we can add a padding. Yeah, we can add a padding in whole section. Anyway, let's add right padding. 1, then right is 5 is good, and right side should be an image. Image resolution full, and where is the image? Okay, let's download this image. Select, this one. Oh sorry, this image already I have uploaded. Copy the title and paste the alt text. Okay, padding will be 0 and this padding will be 0, and these sections this padding will be, I think, 5. 5 looks good. Now let's add the background color and background image. Okay, background color will be this one. Then let's add the overlay. This one. I think not here. We need to add the logo in this container, because we have to implement the logo only left side. I think here will be good. Center, repeat, no repeat, and then display size is cover. I think we need to add the background color little bit lighter, so this one. This one looks good. Let's add little bit lighter. Sorry, not here. Let's add here. I'm adding on overlay because I can add the opacity. That's why I adding on overlay. Display size is cover. Then opacity, not the 100%. I think opacity is 4 will be good. Let's see. 4 will be good. Now let's duplicate this section. Sorry, not section, this container. This container. Just duplicate this container, and we just need to change the images, and we need to change the content. Copy. Okay, let's finish the responsiveness. That should be better, because same section will be more for. So if we are responsive this section, the other section will be responsive. So let's see on in tablet. We can add 100%. Let's add this texture. 100% will be better. We can add alignment, vertical, actually 100%. Sorry, and this section is 100%. Okay, the direction should be like this. This image in left side. Okay, now let's see on phone. Yeah, this section looks good in phone. We don't need the left, just 0. Okay, so in phone, let's see the phone. 24 pixel and medium. .24, then medium. Yeah, now looks good. In text, 14 pixel. We can add 90/20, 36. Okay, this section looks good. And responsiveness, let's delete this section and duplicate this section. Duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate. So let's change the text and images. So everything changed. We need to add the all text in center. So just simply click here, structure, and we need to add the center. We need to add it in center. Okay, alignment item is center, and alignment item will be center. Now this section is good, everything is fine. We need to add another container, so duplicate, so this is the, yeah, need to delete and need to delete because we just need to add the buttons. So copy these buttons and paste here. Okay, this container background will be white, so white, and the button in center, I think, yeah, this one. Then we just need to add a padding 3, I think 4. Yeah, now looks good. Let's see what happened on phone. Yeah, in phone everything is good. Publish. So this section is done. Now we will design this section. This section have a carousel. Anyway, let's design this section. Let's back to home page. Okay, now let's add the flex box. Okay, need to add container, and so we need to add the heading. Here is the heading. Let's copy and paste here. Okay, projects, perfect. Now we will add the projects as a carousel. Let's add the slider. Yeah, this one is perfect. 3, 4. Yeah, now let's add the, we can add slider. Now title, our title is this one, and let's add, yeah, H4 is good. To add a background image, is this one. Select, center, repeat, no repeat, display size, cover. Okay, now we have to add a text editor and copy this text and paste here. Perfect. Our text color should be white, and this section color, title color, is white, and title, I think medium. Yeah, medium is good. The font size 24 and 16. So 24 should be here, not Unique Pro, this font size, and here should be 16 pixel. Need to add a button. Let's add a button here. To add icons, arrow, and this one, icon position right. Then we don't need to add a background, so let's disable the black background. Padding is 0. Border none. Let's add a hover color. It will looks good. Yeah, now I think it looks good. Learn more. Okay, we need a spacing in top, so we can add a spacing, spacer, drag and drop here. 100. I think we need a little more spacer, because if you see, so 120, I think it's good. And at the bottom, okay, here should be 100. Let's add a padding. 10, 20. 20 is good. 60. That looks good. 90. Yeah, now looks good. Let's duplicate it. Sorry, not this way. Just simply click on here. Not here actually. Need to click here, delete, and duplicate. So here should be second. Click here. By clicking here, we can change the image. The second image is this one. Select, Okay, by clicking here we can change image. The image is this one. Select. So our slider now working perfectly. Let's add another slider. I think I want to delete this one. Yeah, we can drag and drop. Sorry. Yeah, we can change the icons. Sorry, you can change the image. The image should be this one. Okay, this one is perfect. Now let's change the text. By clicking here we can change the text. This one is the second, so text. Yeah, copy and paste here. Okay, perfect. So click here, then we can change the arrow setting and the dot. So we don't need the dot. Autoplay, I think 3 seconds will be good. And navigation, we don't need navigation. Okay, pagination, we have to add the pagination. So yeah, progress bar will be good. It's taking a little bit time, I don't know why. Okay, now let's design the pagination bar. Height, I think 1 pixel, not 1 pixel, 2 pixel. Yeah, 2 pixel looks good. Now we can add a space at the top of this section. 6. Bottom should be 6. And here we can add, sorry, not here actually, we have to add a little spacing at the top. Yeah, now looks good. Can change it here. Okay, now let's publish it. One more thing, we have to, I think this spaces looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, pagination. Okay, we can add a pagination color from here. Now this section is done. Let's publish and let's check this section. Reload this page. Okay, So this section working perfectly now. Okay, now we will design this section. Go back to home page. By clicking here, we have to add the container. Then we just need to add the title. Anyway, let's add a title. The title should be Archivo, and here is the title. Need to add a background image. So let's see which one is the background image. Okay, this one is the background image. Copy and paste here and select. The image position is center, repeat, no repeat, display size, cover. Perfect. So let's copy the text and paste it here. The text should be white. We can add a break here. Yeah, now looks good. Let's add the buttons. Copy and paste here. Alignment center. Background should be white. Then border should be white and text color like this one. Yeah, now looks good. Now we can add a height. Sorry, I think 300, no, 350 will be better. Yeah, 350 will be better. And content should be in in center. Let's check on phone. We can add 280. Yeah, 280 looks good. Now this section done. Everything is fine. In tablet it looks good. This section also responsive. Let's publish this page. Okay, reload this page. Okay, now every section working perfectly. Yeah, everything looks good. Yeah, and this section. So our home page is done. In my next video I will show you how to design the other pages. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions or if you need any assistance. If you want to use this template on your website, check in my description. I will attach the template links. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.